Twitter and Discord, these are two main platforms for NFT community. And today I'm going to show you how to set up your NFT Twitter. Twitter for NFT purposes. Twitter for NFT purposes. What is your NFT purpose in life? I think you got the point, so let's go. You stand over me like that.
Yeah. Expecting me to sit back behind the camera.
Why over here? Exactly. It's close to impossible to find a person in the NFT community with the real photo. I would say it's already like a movie tone. I know, I have to. Well, I do that because showing a bad example to people, basically. Don't do this way. If your ultimate goal is really to be in the NFT space, you should consider setting NFT as your profile pic. If you don't have an NFT yet, you can look for some interesting projects, not that popular yet, that more affordable. If you're not ready to buy an NFT, then you can possibly win it in the giveaways. I will talk about giveaways soon. And if you're an artist, you can even make your own NFT or design something. That's also an option. Don't set NFT that's not yours. It's like your... Come on, what? You know what NFT is, you are in this space, you should understand what it means. Like, you cannot just screenshot it, you cannot just, come on, you have to own it. In the beginning, when I just started this, I was one of those, people, like, you cannot just screenshot it, you can just download it. I got into this topic so much now that it annoys me. That you cannot just do that. Header is also your branding, something that catches your eye when you open the profile. Well, you can design your header with the royalty-free images. You can set an image as your header, your own photo. I kept it with the same theme as my YouTube channel. I do my design in Canva. Fast guide, how to make a header. We type in search bar Twitter header. A lot of templates you can use. I usually choose the blank one, pick a nice color, for example, that one, and some text. Done, boom, download. Here's our header. Let's see examples actually, how others do it. If you type hashtag NFT artists and see some custom header here. Let's type for promoters. We can see here again something custom related to the projects. This is a nice one. They say even, some message that you want to give, like DM for promotion, stuff like that. Tell a little about yourself. It doesn't have to be some long description of what you do and everything. Just at least a bit that would tell you, are you an artist? Are you a collector? Are you a promoter? Are you trading? Are you investing? What you do in the NFT space? Here we come into hashtags. Hashtags, it's the superpower. It's a superpower of Twitter. Use hashtags everywhere. Really encourage you to do that. Why? Why is it good? Well, because you will be much easier to find NFT artists, let's say. You can go to people tab, you can see NFT artists here. In the bio, you can see that people are actually saying it's NFT artists. That's another thing about the bio. In Twitter, you don't just see a name of the person, like when you scroll through, searching for someone to follow, you see also short like a biography there instantly. For example, in this case, it feels empty. Here I instantly see like some story to it, interesting to click. Having a bio, it's crucial because it's like it will be visible like this. It's everywhere. So make sure you have one. Twitter bio is limited. My trick is that I try to minimize the words. Like I could write NFT content creator and then put a separate hashtag, but why if I can put NFT as a hashtag? And I'm saying this sounds like a very simple things, but what I notice on Twitter that a lot of like exactly this, that it's duplicated. Since I'm currently a part of NAS Academy and Metapurse Fellowship course, and these videos are made with their support, I'm putting their hashtags in here. Maybe you're thinking, oh, can I put the tags inside the bio as well? Like not the hashtags. You can, but I think it's not very relevant when you are not like a company, entrepreneur. Metapurse, for example, it's a fund, and this is found by Metacoven, who bought this art piece by Beeple for 69 million, just saying, and Tubador. So what hashtags you can use if you're artist? NFT artist, NFT art. For collectors, NFT collector, NFT critic, NFT collection. For promoters, it can be NFT promoter, NFT giveaway. So now I promised you to show how you can actually win and an NFT. So what you do is you go to NFT giveaway hashtag. You can go to top, you can go to latest. There's so many NFT giveaways going on constantly. Like I take part in them as well. I kind of won a couple of times, so I'm telling because it's so random. Like I was completely surprised. Like there are a lot of people participating, but still. Recently I got this one. Yeah, it's called Pix Alcoholic. I don't know what it's supposed to tell about me. Oh, I'm here guys, I'm the winner. Look, I'm the winner. See, that was my previous profile picture, which is actually NFT. The rules are the same. You have to retweet, like, tag friends, follow the page, join their Discord. But there is a note here. They use some programs that choose the pick randomly or some bots. And if you don't have a profile picture or don't have a bio, you can be filtered out because your account is like unknown. Like it's not understandable who you are. So that's why if you want to participate in the giveaways, you really should set something. I've started with a lot of giveaways on my page, so if you don't know like where to start from, you can check out my profile. Hey guys, that was a quick guide how to set your NFT Twitter profile. Comment your Twitter tag or link your Twitter below this video and I will follow. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Step 1. Create Twitter account. Step 2. Set up your profile. So when it's done, you're ready to go. Good luck. Thanks.